Do you have hip or knee pain in the morning when you first get out of bed? Does your hip or knee pain limit your walking, making it difficult to get around the house, or are you avoiding going up and down stairs because of this pain? Do you have pain in your hips or knees when you go grocery shopping? Are you taking more medications because of your pain, or are you considering hip or knee replacements? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then we have a special offer for you. We would like to invite you to the hip and knee pain workshop we are hosting here at Breakthrough PT in Saco. Hi, I'm Brian Cloutier from Breakthrough Physical Therapy.
And I'm Josh Tardif from Biddeford Physical Therapy. Not a day goes by where we don't see patients who are suffering from hip or knee pain. It can completely alter your lifestyle, such as enjoying time with your family and even completing your normal daily activities. At the Hip and Knee Pain Workshop, you will learn the top 3 most common injuries for both the hip and knee. You will also learn if you are a candidate for a total knee or total hip replacement, and how to speed up your recovery by nearly 30%. So, if you or your loved one has hip or knee pain and want to get back to living your life pain-free, then click the button below and register for the Hip and Knee Pain Workshop.